So remember the courage to trust. Sometimes we go through hardships and we think, why did this happen to me? Let me see if I can put you in the picture. Sometimes we easily forget that we are a small part of a major phenomenon. And this view, look at this is free. My goodness, this view, let me show you. This view with summer itself is free. Thank you, summer, for this beautiful free view. You don't have to go to Bahamas or Sri Lanka. You could if you can afford it, but this view is free. This air is free. Sit. There's even a bee following us. There's a lovely bee. I don't know if you guys can see. There's a lovely bee here with us. Don't be afraid and sit. So everyone, I want to remind you a beautiful song from Sri Lanka. I'm going to sing you a song. Mal mutulal nil turuel sakuna vijite ma sangva tabai obe rajdhaniye gangulal nil diral sihin nimnaye Ma sit gavamai obe tarakaviye. Love you today, we care about each other today. Have you thought about coming out, greeting the sun? Each day is an opportunity to bathe in the lake. Have you considered moving out, finding a new space? This beautiful Jivite Vasanarande. What a wonderful, lovely place we have come today. We are fortunate that we are alive today. Oh, be kind to each other. Hey, come enjoy the weather. What do you think about that song? It's our theme song, me and Summer. If you enjoy our song and if you want to know where we go next, which we don't know, to be honest, it's just in the moment. We have some things in mind, but we don't take it too seriously. Because the moment we take life too seriously, things happen and then we get upset, we get sad, we get heartbroken. So always leave time for play, for fluidity, for change. Like the waves, they just flow. They believe in their strength. the current. So trust and be one. And listen to your baby girl or anybody that you have. Listen to them. Move forward. Support one another. Show each other the world. Our things and start walking summer as much as I can. This is a water bottle. So even I don't carry water for myself because thank God with being a Muslim, I was taught to fast. So I don't feel hunger and thirst very easily. But I want to give her all the comfort that she can get to get through this life and become the being that she is for Mother Earth. So come with us as we explore this morning and learn a lesson or two about pebbles and rocks from summer. So let's see if we can sit all the way out there by the pier. Somebody got sleep gummies. What is going on here? People are losing sleep. Why did someone put their sleep gummy here? This is so random. I've never seen sleep gummies by the Oh my God, what is going on with our world? People are losing sleep. Sometimes my perspective is losing sleep can mean that we are woken up by nature to do something different. So don't force yourself to sleep sometimes. If that is my take, but if you're going crazy because there's no sleep, that's a different thing. But I haven't been sleeping much because it's summertime. The sun stays up till like 8 o'clock. So the sunset is like 8, 9 o'clock in the summer. So it's a natural process in the summer for us to be up longer in the northern hemisphere than we would in the winter. So look at how beautiful and gorgeous. You can see clear water. This is Lake Michigan. MashaAllah, the blessed place. Summer's also enjoying. So even though we go through hardship each day, we come and we enjoy a piece of nature. We say thanks for this morning. We remember our good friends. And then hopefully somebody left their shorts here. What is going on? Then we go bare feet and we find a lovely spot here. See, you can see through the water. Alright, put our feet out. We sit and relax. There's summer Baba. And we sit. Oh my God, this is so good. This is so good actually. It's 14th of August. It's been a roller coaster, but we are here. Come on. This is our meditational spot every morning. Meditation for different people, it means different things. For some, they might sit in silence. For me, it depends on the day how I feel. Someday I come in the morning, I want silence and solace. I don't know how to pronounce that word, but you get it. Some days I just want to come here and talk and express myself. Some days I want to walk somewhere like I am now. But what can I tell you about life? Just look at my channel and figure out the puzzle pieces to what's happening currently. Lots of weird rejections. But my friend told me it's Mercury retrograde. And then it reminded me that only when things are regressing that we get the power to move forward. So that when I look back in my life, when I was younger, when I was in my teen years, I moved forward through hardship. So in a way, when hardship comes, it's a reminder for me to be resilient, accept the new relationships, let go of all old relationships. Some relationships made me angry this month because of people no longer keeping true to their word. They say one thing today and then they say one thing 3 days later. So I understand circumstances change for many people today, but the truth is, uh, we count on our words. A word is a word of honor. So if you can, I ask everybody to keep to your words whenever possible. Unless it's a safety issue, of course, you have to change your word. But um, for the most part, try to honor your word. Otherwise, people will not trust you. Keep your word. If you take money to do something, complete that work. If you take a responsibility of a dog or a cat, take care of them. Don't let them go because times are hard. Learn from your past, learn from your ancestors. Even our ancestors are not all perfect. They have done wrong, they have done good things. So even just like that is people today. People do wrong, people do good. Even I have done wrong, I have done good. But I'm trying to learn from the things that I have done wrong so I can renew myself, so I can be better for next year. So hopefully 2025 I'm a better human being than I was 2024. 2025 I will be focusing more on raising Summer and what's good for her. I've been a homebody for my entire life because we humans, we like comfort, we like being at home. But what I realize is my Summer loves to walk. So I'm gonna repair Summer's wonderful little shirt. As a dad, it's my duty to make sure she has new clothes, but this is her favorite, one of her favorites. So she told me to sew this for her this morning. We're gonna sew this very quickly. I don't have a scissor with me handy, so I use my teeth. That does the trick. Use whatever tools you can. As a primitive man, I try to use whatever I can in the moment to save time because we're in a rush. Um, so this is where it needs to be. I know basic sewing, thank God. I learned in school, one of the life skills school classes that I had to do growing up. So we have to put this in the seam and sew this. So this requires patience. So if you don't have patience, sewing is a great way to test your patience. I can throw this, I was gonna throw this and buy a new one, but I wanted to see if I still have the patience to endure hard times with my baby Summer. So let's see, inshallah, this morning. Okay. Okay, one more time. Okay, now you can see I did the thing. It's pretty cool. It's not like the machine, but it does the trick. Now we will try it on Sama. Good morning, darling. Beautiful for you. Your favorite shirt. So, how do you feel? Nice. Ready to go out. Did you sleep well? I hope you slept well. Papa loves you. Papa loves you. I hope you slept well. Papa loves you. Papa loves you. Yeah. Papa loves you. Papa loves you. Okay, was ready to go out. Let's see. No longer hole in a shirt. All perfect. And white is this their favorite because there's white bunnies. Lovely floral. See? Yes, right. Let's go. Sun salutations. Sabaka. Look at these flowers. Beautiful flowers. Let's focus on the good things in life. Come on. Good morning. Summer's getting ready to start her day. So what we are doing now is there's her favorite shirt. I'm gonna sew it. The staff here is really nice. Hello. Okay, good, thank you. Really good, actually, really good. Alhamdulillah. It looks great, right? A lot of progress. I can't see, so I gotta steal it.
So by himself?
I brought her to my mom's already, so that's good to bring her. So brought her this morning. Brought her and now she's tired, so you take her back.
That's good.
Everything's good, it's nice and quiet, it's nice and
I appreciate it so much.
So is there like a trash box or anything you can do
So
stuff
we
with?
got a small container outside, so we have a little bit of stuff we can take it, like a
No,
bag.
no. I just want to know in the future,
Yeah.
because I'm going to organize some
Yeah,
stuff.
if you get like a black tray of garbage, I can take that from you.
Oh, no.
I don't need that.
If I want to throw something, where should I go?
Yeah, we can't, we don't have that.
Oh, you want to
It's
have
just because we got too many people here.
Oh, they might sit down.
If you give me a garbage bag full of stuff.
Yeah. All right. Because later, maybe next month, I'll organize and then like small stuff.
Yeah, I got garbage bag for you too.
All right. Thank you, sir. I think that's about it. than last time loading the dolly. So let's go. Let's take this with us. Alright, let me make sure I lock my dad's car. No one's gonna come here, but either way, just protocols, following protocols. Better to lock. Hello. These are like kitchen items, you know, like summers, cups, mugs and stuff. And this one has an iron, humidifier, small heater, stationery box. This one, I think that one has knickknacks. So let's so the light should come off automatically. See, it is censored. All these are storage. They're all numbered, right? So it's very nice and clean. Remember where we left this morning? Wonderful. What do you think? This time it's 4:30 exactly. We're ready to unload. Second load. See, this time I did a better job. So we learn. Each time we learn. You can hear cicadas. There was a time in my life, days in my life I thought cicadas are annoying. But on days like today, I understand the value of cicadas. If they didn't make noise, if they didn't annoy me, I wouldn't have been pushed to pack and leave. So sometimes people that annoy us, who annoy us even in nature, even if they are loud creatures, they push us to do better for ourselves and collective humanity. Believe that cicadas come here to guide us. Listen to the proper guidance. How do you know guidance are proper? You have two-way street, all right? Which means one, Bismillah, you start the engine and you get that sign. You start the car. You make sure all your seat belts are in place. Okay? And you trust in Allah. You trust in those who have come before you, regardless of their faith. We are all the same. And we want to trust whatever message they gave us, whether it's negative or positive. We charge it. We just like electricity. We use it for positive reasons. All right. So what we are going to do now, we are going to move forward. We are going to go to our storage and put stuff. Let's go. Lord, perfect. Okay, here we have the second load of stuff. வரி நான் உனக்கு இருக்கு உண்மையா சொல்லு ஏமாத்திடுது ஆச்சி நீ தொட்டு பார்த்தா You ready to rumble? Here we go. We are ready. Let's go. We gotta keep moving. What did I tell you? Believe in yourself. This is the ultimate test. Can you believe in your own strength? When Mercury is on retrograde, you must.